Sports content are one of the high traffic content you can actually start uploading online right now and get viral traffic from different countries on your website. Almost everybody loves sport, right? Especially football, volleyball, basketball, and the rest. If you come over to this particular website right here, this is go.com. Right here we have live scores, we have news, we have transfers, we have forum, we have Premier League, we have La Liga, and the rest. Okay, this website gets thousands of traffic every single day. Okay, and the best part is this particular website is also monetized with advertisement. So in this very video, I'm going to be showing you how you can actually start your own sport website where you can actually monetize and also build business around it. Okay, if you come to this next website, this is ESPN, and the best part is this: there are a lot of people visiting every single day. They are all monetized with advertisement. You can see right here, these are display ads. They also monetize with affiliate programs. Okay, as you can see right here, we've already built our own sports website, and I'm going to be showing you how you can actually start your own right here in this very video. The first step, I'm going to be showing you how you can actually start getting your viral sport content that you can actually upload on your website, and second step, I'm going to be showing you how you can actually monetize this particular website with different strategies. Okay, and thirdly, I'm going to be showing you how you can actually get traffic to this website, promote it to the right audience. Okay, so without further ado, let's get into it right now. The first thing you need to do is to actually go ahead and get your website fully developed. Okay, you don't need to be techie, you don't need to be a developer, you don't need to be a website designer to handle this. Okay, so all you need to do is simply get a developer to develop your website. Okay, and once you get your website fully developed, that is the technical part has been concluded for you. The next thing you need to do right now is to use your phone and log into your website. You don't need laptop for this or desktop, you need only your mobile phone to handle every other thing right now. Okay, once your website has been delivered to you. All right, if my team are building it, they're going to simply send you your admin login panel. Okay, where you have to simply log in. When you log in, this is where you're going to be seeing your dashboard, your plugins, themes, and all of that. Okay, so I'm going to simply go to the dashboard section. If you go to the dashboard section, the next you need to do is to actually install the right plugins. Okay, so if my team have already built the website, or they will have to install all of these plugins. All right, but I'm going to be showing you the plugins you have to start installing on your website right now for this to work. Okay, so go to your website right here, go to the plugin section, then click on add plugin. All right, and the first plugin you have to simply install right now is instant image. You need sports image, copyright free sports images, okay, for your website. Okay, so this particular plugin right now gets image automatically from platforms like Unsplash, okay, OpenVerse, Pixabay, Pexel, Giphy. All these platforms are royalty free image platform where you can download royalty free images, okay, without copyright issue. Okay, go ahead and install this plugin. Number one plugin has been installed. All right, so once you install that, the next thing you need to do is to actually install Ad Inserter. Click on this insert. Okay, that's the first one. The second one is this very one right here. Install this one right here. Okay, the next plugin you have to install is SEO plugin. All right, so for your website content, your sport content to rank on Google Discovery, Google News, and other platforms. All right, so you need to do simply install either Rank Math or you install Yoast SEO. All right, so I'm going to be installing this one right here, which is Yoast SEO. So after installing that, then remember we've not activated them. All right, so you go to your plugin right here. Okay, go to the plugin, go to installed plugins, select the plugins you've not actually activated. This is the first one right here. Then click on bulk, click on activate, click on apply. All right, first step of the video is to find viral content. Okay, so for you to find viral content, even if you don't have any interest in football, even if you don't know anything about football, you can actually use this particular website that I'm showing you right now to get the latest trend. Okay, so that you can be able to keep updating your website the same way these platforms update their website every single day, every single minute. Okay, go to your browser and you search for Google Trend. Okay, search for trend.google.com. all right, trending right now. One of the advantage you get in this particular niche is that most of the top searches are basically focused on sport. All right, and make sure you select United States. So you want to target United States. Okay, then target all regions. All right, you target past 7 days to get all the ones that has been trending that will continue to trend. Okay, not the trend that will die immediately after posting it. We don't want that. So click on this past 24, then select past 7 days. All right, so once you select that, the next you need to do is simply go to the category section, click on the sports, then select only active trend. Okay, click on this active trend. Then you're gonna see these ones that says active 9 hours ago, which means people are still searching for them right from the 7 days ago. Make sure you gather all the trends, hit on all of them. Then go back here, then you paste it here. Okay, so you can see all of them are now here. You go to your browser and search for Perplexity, then type this simple prompt. Okay, then paste whatever thing you want to paste. So these are the trend. Okay, so you can show right here. I've already sent it, so it's giving me all the stuff that I want. Okay, so here are SEO friendly high ranking style blog topic or ideas for each of your trending topic February March 2026. Okay, written to match what's trending and likely to rank well on Google. This is what we need. All right, once you have all of this in place, the next you need to do, start writing your content. You can use Cloud AI. For Lacquers versus Sun, we have 3 different content, so you can copy this. Okay, I have this particular prompt that I use for my sports website. Okay, and this is a master AI prompt for sport blog content, and this prompt is optimized for SEO and also news EEAT, for our content to be original and also appear human. All right, so once you have this in place, the next you need to do is simply go ahead and copy that. Just let me know if you need this particular prompt. Okay, go to Cloud AI, then you paste it right here, you add it here. This is the prompt, remember. Go up again, copy the blog title we added before, cut it, then remove this. Remember, here is where we have to add the blog title. Copy this and paste your own here. All right, then remove this one that is there. So that is our content title. Hit on this send button. All right, it's taking its time because you've already added the details we want. Okay, we want this to be 100% detailed and original, right? Not copying a script from other website. All right, click on copy, paste it right here, copy the content title. You can cut it if you want. All right, and paste it here. Then you don't need to add these dates because the date will be added automatically for us from our website. Okay, just make sure you go through this particular content you've already written and also make sure you edit them, add media, then click on open. Then once you're done, click on this, use this image. You can see it's going to simply be here, but you have to make it be at the middle. All right, so we want it at the middle, right? So this is going to simply make your content more realistic and original. Okay, you're going to simply go to the website and check out if this website is already monetized or not, then we'll monetize it. Okay, so if you preview it now, so this is basically how the content will look like. Okay, but this website is not really monetized, so we're going to simply monetize it right now. Okay, so let's go back to this section, then click on save as drafts as well. So go ahead and register your account on Adsterra.com and you register as a publisher. Okay, register on Monetag.com as a publisher, not as an advertiser. Okay, so once you have this in place, go ahead and add your website to this very section. Click on this add website section. When you click on that, you can actually go ahead and add your website here and all of that. Okay, then click on copy. You come to your website. Remember the plugins we installed. We're going to add the first plugin. Go to code snippet, make sure you add it at the footer. It has been added. Then copy it, come back to your website and go to your, you can add it at the header. Okay, then go back here, add it at the body. All right, then click on the save changes. Okay, so once you hit on that, go to your website, visit website, scroll down a little bit. You can see the Adsterra banner displaying right here. Okay, so if you scroll down, so you can see these are Adsterra banner right here. Okay, this is social bar coming from Adsterra. Okay, the next you need to do is to actually go ahead and add Monetag itself. Okay, you can come to Monetag right here. This is Monetag. Once you come to Monetag, click on the website section and you're going to simply go ahead and add your website the same way we did for Adsterra. So you can see these are the zones you can actually add. For multi-tag, you can add every other stuff right here. Okay, let's click on this copy button, then you copy the tag they've given. All right, then come back here. Let's go ahead and add it at the body part, okay, or the footer, okay, so that it will not disturb your audience. Okay, then add it here. Click on the save changes. All right, so I would recommend you don't add a lot of advertisement that can actually chase visitors away. Don't add that. Just make sure you add minimum ad. It's still going to maintain your CPM, and also it's still going to give you the right tractions you need on your Adsterra and Monetag. Okay, this is basically how you can actually start a sport niche website for yourself right here in 2026 and scale up your game. Okay, you can add affiliate link as well on your sport niche website. Okay, go to your browser and search for sports affiliate program. You see these are top 10 sport affiliate programs, and you're going to see some stuff that they are bringing out for you. Okay, so all you need to do is simply go ahead and register in any of these programs. You have to highlight the particular word where you want to add that affiliate program. Okay, so for instance, if I want to add it here, I will have to simply click on this link, then add the affiliate marketing link right here and click on save. Okay, so that's basically how this works. All right, then set featured image. Okay, so remember we installed this instant image, okay, where we're going to be getting royalty free images from different platforms like Pixabay, Pexel, OpenVAS, and a lot more. Okay, just come to this very section and search for sports. All right, when you search for sports, it's going to simply bring out pictures about sports. Okay, let's say I want to go with this one right here. Add that, click on the save button. It has been added. Then from this very section now, you are free to hit on the publish button. I just want to view from the home page. Okay, good. This is what we have right now. You can see this is the blog we have content. You can see the ads, you can see everything is working perfectly now. The next step is to start promoting this blog to get traffic. Okay, for you to start getting traffic right now with this particular strategy, you have to simply take this as a business for yourself. Go ahead and create a Facebook page and also create a profile on Google News. I've already made a video on how you can actually add your website to Google News. Okay, so if you've not watched our 7 days blogging challenge, go ahead and watch our 7 blogging challenge. Okay, it is free of charge. You can utilize platforms like Opera News, okay, for creators, where you have to simply sign up on Opera News and start getting your website indexed on Opera News. Okay, which means people that are using Opera application to read news, latest trend about football, will start getting access to your own website. Okay, and that's going to simply help you a lot and build a business for yourself. All right, so if you found this video helpful, I want you to hit the like button, subscribe to this video channel. If you want my team to develop your website below, just let me know in the comment and I'm going to simply show you what you have to do. All right, if you want my exact prompt and template, just let me know in the comments. See you in the next one.